In this video, I will guide you how to get the statement of comparability. So what is that? Basically, if you wanted to apply for skilled worker visa and or student visa and you need qualification comparison, then how to get that? So if you see in this example, qualification title, Bachelor's of Arts, country of award, Sultania. So that's just an example. Year 2016, awarded by University of Sultania. Comparison, UK framework levels. Now this is telling which framework level is that. Comparable UK qualification, bachelor's degree. So sometime if you wanted to apply for skilled worker visa, you need this, especially when they are changing rules. Watch this video. In this video I have explained what are the new rules coming for the skilled worker visa. So they are upgrading the qualification level. So RQF level 3 if you need. So how to get that sorted? In this case, qualification title. So these are the example details of that. Comparison. So UK framework level. So now if you see, this is two different qualifications they are comparing. This one is level 2 and this one is the school certificate, whereas this one is the Bachelor's of Arts and it's RQF level 6. Further it says comparison UK framework level. So this is level 2 and this is Scottish qualification level 5. Further comparable UK qualification, so GCSE, and they have also compared it with the Scottish national degree qualification as well. GCSE maths comparable, GCSE English comparable. It says no, English is studied as a second language in Sultania. So in this case, obviously the applicant will be needing the IELTS. Further it says report end and then date of report. That's the date when it was issued. Please note that the year listed may denote the year in which the qualification was completed or the year in which the qualification was conferred to the holder. The date of conferral is usually confirmed on the final certificate and is when the awarding body formally acknowledges that a student has graduated from the course in question and completed all the established requirements. This assessment is based on qualification documents presented to UK ENIC. Now what is UK ENIC? I'll show you in this video as well. I'll explain you how to get to this page as well. We are satisfied that evidence of successful course completion has been presented. So for this we will go on gov.uk and we will write skilled worker visa. We will come to this page, skilled worker visa. Go down, it says knowledge of English. If you click on it, over here it says having degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. If you studied at a university outside the UK, you will need to apply through ECCTIS for confirmation that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree, master's degree or PhD. So if I click on this will take me to this page which is ECCTIS. Qualification and Language Service, QLS. QLS is provided by ECCTIS on behalf of the Home Office. You can see this that I went on gov.uk first and from there I came to this link. So the only genuine website is gov.uk and then you should come to this page. Never click any link on Facebook or any other pages because there are loads of scams and that might not help you. It says use our service if you need to evidence your qualification level or your English language proficiency when you apply for one of the following visa permissions: family, health and care worker, high potential individual, ILR, innovator founder, international sports person, minister of religion, scale up worker, skilled worker, student. So this video is more about skilled worker and students. So if you planning to apply for skilled worker visa, then you make sure you get this sorted. It's very easy. I'll show you further in this video how to do that. So let's see this. Check which service you need. So it gives you the online checker and there are two services available. So number one is English proficiency and qualification comparison. Number two is just the qualification comparison. So if I click start now, this will take me to the page. Are you applying for visa to move or settle in the UK? So in this case, yes, because we are applying for skilled worker visa. To move, do you hold qualification from an overseas? Yes. What your award studied at bachelor's, master's or PhD? Yes. So obviously it was bachelor degree, which we are trying to understand that whether it's equivalent or not. Do you need to evidence the English language level needed to obtain your academic qualification? For example, if your visa application requires you to prove your standard of English language. So for example, you're planning to apply a student visa or skilled worker visa. So yes, continue. You should use our English proficiency and qualification comparison service. Now for that, how we will do that? We will go and click on English proficiency and qualification service. Now let's try to understand what documents we need, what is the price, and how long it will take, and how to apply. Now let's try to understand what documents you need. During the application process, you must upload final certificates from your completed qualification issued by the awarding institution. For example, you are doing your project and your project's marks are not there on the transcript. That won't be considered as final transcript. Official transcripts issued by the awarding institution showing all subjects and grade signed, stamped and dated. You should also share the back page of it. Usually at the back side of the transcript, it explains the grade rating as well. Certification of the translation of the documents. So for example, if your documents are not in English, then you need a certified translation. A medium of instruction, MOL letter issued by the awarding institution, confirming the languages used during your study. A copy of your passport, national ID card or any photo or travel. For example, if you have a passport or any of the document which can state that these documents belongs to this person. Evidence of name change. So for example, if your last name change or if you got married and your name got changed, if your current name is different from the one on your qualification. For example, marriage certification. Further, it says we might ask for more documents if we need them. We will only accept documents from the awarding institution and not an affiliate college. This is a very common problem. If your college is affiliated and it says that this degree is affiliated from this institution, then they need the main institution document, not the affiliate one. You will upload these documents and that's it. Now let's discuss the most important thing, price, how much it will cost you. Many people think that this will be free, but this cost around £210 plus £42 VAT. It also says that we aim to provide the outcome within 20 working days, which includes our review process. We are unable to guarantee a faster turnaround time. We need to verify your qualification with third parties, such as your university. If we do not receive verification about your qualification within the time frame, your application will be closed. You might want to speak to your awarding institution in advance to notify them that you will be contacted. The best is write a letter to your admin department that you have applied for the university in the UK or you are planning to apply for the skilled worker visa. So they know that the ECCTIS will contact them. We will let you know if we need additional documents. In this case, it may take longer to process, more than 20 working days. It may also restart the date. So for example, you submitted on 1st of June and on 20th of June you got the letter, but now you need to start counting 20 working days from 20th of June onwards. Now let's discuss the most important part, how to apply. Click on how to apply on the same page. I'll put all these links in the description so you can go directly if you need to, but like I said, it's always better to go from the gov.uk. It will be helpful for you. How to apply? To apply, you must have all documents ready. Create an account, pass an identity verification check, complete payment, submit a fully completed application. Some applicants do think that they will submit these documents or the Home Office will come to know these documents that you have submitted, and that's why they try to avoid that and they don't submit the proper documents. But they won't submit anything to Home Office. They will only give you a letter, which I have just showed in at the start of the video. That's what you will get. After you have applied, we will review the application within 20 working days, update you on the user portal in the order status section on the progress of your application. The 20 working day time frame will restart if need more documents or information. You will receive a code in the online portal if your English proficiency and qualification comparison has been successful. you need to share this with the Home Office as part of your visa application. Now we will click apply now. It will take us to the page where it will ask individual, register as an individual. Click on it. It will ask you title, first name, surname, your email confirmation, all these documents. Once it's registered, it will take you to the page verified. Click here to log in. After the verification is done, you will click sign in. Okay, now you can see that welcome and that you have start application, contact us. If you click start application, it will take you to the page where it will ask for terms and conditions. I hope you can see on the screen the full page. So over here, they have provided all the terms and conditions. So you accepting all the terms and conditions. You must read them. I know nobody do that. Accept. Once you have accept declaration of permission for primary source verification check, it also says that they will contact your university, qualification awarding bodies, authorized third parties, government authorizations as well. You basically declaring that they will check everything. So you put your full name over here and accept it. Then it will take you to the services. So first one was the agreement, second one is like services, third is contact, fourth is qualification, and then summary. Choose which service you need. English proficiency and qualification comparison. So they have provided this. The fees is the same, £210 plus £42 VAT. The second one is also the same, £210, £42. So some people think that it's better to go for the second one. It might be cheaper, but that's not the case. It clearly states that your overseas qualification is comparable to bachelor's, master's, PhD when applying for UK visa. Further at the bottom, if you are planning to apply, then this one, use this service if you need to show that your overseas qualification is comparable to UK bachelor's, master's, PhD degree. If you need to either use your PhD for points when applying for skilled worker route or apply for high potential individual route, and your qualification was not taught in English, or you do not need to prove English proficiency. If, for example, you are coming from a country where the degree is not in English, then this option is the best one. But if your degree is in English and you think that you should be exempt, for example, some people have done bachelor's from Malaysia and the degree is from UK, and it's like, they don't need the English IELTS basically, so they can apply for this. So click on this, apply for English proficiency and qualification comparison. Most of the time you basically go for this option because this option cover you if your qualification is in English. It will be helpful. What further it says, apply. What happens after you apply? After you apply, we will evaluate the information you have given and contact your awarding institution to confirm that your qualification is real. If your application is not successful, we will not send you a code to use in your Home Office visa application. You will receive notification of this outcome through your online portal. If it's a successful, they will give you the code which you will use at the time of Home Office visa application. If this happens, we cannot refund you because the cost of the service is for ECCTIS to evaluate your education, your qualification, etc. Your application might not be successful because your qualification is not genuine. Your awarding institution did not confirm your qualification as genuine within 20 working days. I have seen these so many cases, especially with the colleges. When you apply this, they send an email, they try to get in touch with the university college and they don't respond. So it's always better, as soon as you submit this, send an email to your school admin team, the people who are high, they doing the verifications and all that, the admission team, and send them an email. Your qualification is not eligible or you do not pass the identity check. Accept and continue. Next step, it will ask you to contact. So your nationality, so which nationality we are talking about over here. So for example, we'll select India, save and continue. Next question is upload a copy of your passport identity document. You will do that and then save and continue. Then after that, next question is which type of UK visa or permission will you apply for? So you select from the drop down menu, health and care worker, family, student, skilled worker, or you have ILR as well over here. So at this time we'll select skilled worker. Save and continue. Next question will be, is your current name different from your qualification? No. Save and continue. Next question is about your qualification. Enter details of your qualification, name of your qualification, institution that awarded the qualification, country, the awarding institution. So you will select the country, language of the document you will upload as proof of your qualification, date that you were awarded the qualification. Once you provide all the details, click save and continue. Once you have submitted, you can come back and you can click on my account where you have the option to contact us. If you click on it, it will take you account messages. It will also give you the option for live chat. It will also give you the option for phone number. So this is the phone number +44 330 912 0040. You can phone them between Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you have any question, you can send me an email at dr_khan@consultant.com.